Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to run Gmail campaigns in Google Ads. It's extremely simple. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So we're going to come here to Google Ads. We're going to create a new campaign and we're going to select create a campaign without goal guidance. And in order to run a Gmail campaign, you need to select demand gen. This is the campaign type that allows you to target only Gmail. So you're going to select demand gen. You are going to continue here. You're going to start a new campaign. And when you come to the settings screen, I'm going to tell you exactly now what you are going to do. You are going to go to the ad group. And when you go to the ad group, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find channels. So now when you find channels, you're going to say, let me choose. And here you're going to deselect everything except Google Mail. And now this campaign became a Gmail campaign. So now what you can do is to simply select your audience signal, create the ads, and that's it. Then you're going to publish your campaign and you are going to run a Gmail campaign. So one more time, in order to run Gmail campaigns in Google Ads, you need to select demand gen. Then you're going to go to the ad group level and simply you are going to select Google Mail. And that's how you can run a Gmail campaign in Google Ads. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. That's it and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.